In this video, I am going to explain how to create holes on a mating flange. Okay, first let's start a part. File, new part. Okay, we will draw a flange first. Selecting the front plane for that, normal to, and then I am going to create a flange of size 50 by 100. Okay, this is 50. The other length, let it be 100. Okay, I'm going to extrude. I had set a shortcut key. So if you want to know the shortcut key, how to set shortcut key, I will explain now. Go to, just right click in this area and go to the last. There will be a customize. Go to the keyboard. Just type here, for example, if I want to set extrude, shortcut for an extrude command, just type extrude. Okay, the extrude command will come here. Just type E. Then it will get saved. Then press OK. Now you need to just press E so that the extrude command will work. Select the plane which one you need to extrude. Okay, we'll put a thickness of 10 mm. Then give OK. Now our flange is ready. Okay. Now we'll create a hole in this part initially. After this, with respect to this flange, we will create another flange. Okay, fine. We'll create a tapped drill in this part. Let it be ISO. I'm going to create, for example, we'll create an M8 thread, tapped hole. Okay. Fine. We'll create another hole with respect to this. Let's position here, escape, do the dimension from here to here. Let it be 50. Let this be horizontal to this one. It's not happening. Okay, let it be in this position. You OK. Okay. So we have created a part. Just save this in some folder which you need. Okay, we'll put flange 1. Save. Okay, now we'll create another part. In the opposite part, we'll be projecting these holes. We doesn't know what is the dimension. It's in another direction also. Okay, we'll create a part. We'll create a circle. Let the size be bigger than that or equal to that. So let it be 100. Extrude. Okay. Save it. Let it be flange 2. Okay. I will create an assembly. Make assembly from part. Assembly. First we will insert flange 2. Okay. Now we will insert the another flange. Flange 1. Okay. Now what I am going to do is, I will be projecting this hole into this the second flange without giving dimension. Okay. First we will make this one, make this flange with this, whatever location you want. Just for, since I'm just showing, I'm just making it into face. Okay. So this is the first command. Okay, just give right click, edit part. Okay, I didn't save this assembly. First you need to save the assembly. Okay, let it be assembly 1. Okay. Yeah, since I had already clicked the edit command, it came to edit mode. Okay. Just select the face where you want to project that hole and then click sketch. Okay, now you need to select the face which you want. Okay, now we had clicked the edit part command. So let's project sketch. Let's click the sketch plane. Okay, now since this is transparent, you are not able to select the part. So what will you do? Okay, here there is an assembly transparency mode. Just click that and click maintain transparency. Okay, it is not going. We need to come back. Okay, now it changed. Now when I clicked assembly transparency, this one changed to solid. Fine. Okay, now just select the faces which you want to convert. Okay, click the edge of the drill, one, then the other one. My God, it's not getting selected. One, two. Okay, after this you need to click the command convert entities. Okay, see, now both the edges got projected to the flange 2. This is the command which you need to use for project geometry. Yeah, now give edit component, open the part. You will see the circles in your opposite flange. Now go to edit. It is visible here. If you want, you can disconnect it from that flange by deleting this constraint. If not, if the other flange is changed, automatically this also will get changed. Okay, now put whatever cut extrude or anything, what command you want to try, just put it. Select the sketch, give cut extrude, save it, come back to the assembly. Yes. Okay, now the drill is projected to the opposite part without giving any dimensions. So this is what I try to explain in this video. For more tricks and what to do, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.